Hello everyone, it's GreyHack Tutorials back again, and today I'm gonna do a little walkthrough video, or actually let's play video, and I found this player called Jarko. I just jumped on multiplayer and found this guy. And I did some routing already, so I have root access to his computer right now. So let's start to find what he has in his computer, and there's something called exploits folder. I think this may be hacks of exploits. Then we have his mail, and I've already checked his bank account, so his mail has the same password here as his bank. Seems like there's nothing interesting on his email. But here is his bank account, and as I can show you, so here we can find his bank account, and here is the bank account. It's the same as here, and he has the $18. So I'm gonna take everything, and actually it doesn't matter much because you can buy much things with $18, and even there is a fee. So at least his bank account is not right empty, and let's focus on his own computer now. What would we do? I think fun things would happen. Let's see what permissions he has. So everything is actually default permissions. I could add user at GHT, and password will be 1234. And now there is my folder here, and actually it's been a while since I used my older tool myself. I've been getting this new one, but I actually can't remember everything how to use this because syntax is a bit different. Anyways, now there is a user folder, so I have my user account. So basically I could do this, and we can actually do this and crack it, and but the result is same as you see. It's exactly the same hash, so his root password is the same. So it doesn't matter too much. So we could go to the home, Jarko, dots. We could create a file to his desktop. And here you can see what is this file. I did not notice that. It's just some bank stuff. We could edit this file. And we can go back and we can check the file. So now he has this message on his desktop, so maybe we could then start killing something. Well, we can kill his manual, for example. So it's gone. Maybe he noticed something. Also, the fun thing we could do is to rename some library here. So if we what's the command called? Run. I don't have help menu here. Let's see. So init is now with the capital I. So when he restarts his computer, it goes to safe mode because the init actually is not found even when it's there. So now when he reboots his computer, he may lose stuff. He has Notepad open, so let's see if he noticed that file. We could change his root password as well, and it will be GHT. And no, he didn't write anything. Now he has another notepad open. We could kill that too, but we are friendly. At least I'm usually friendly, but this is for the entertainment, so I usually don't want to destroy new players. But just for this video and fun, I renamed the init. So that's the fun trick that you can use. So if player comes back, he may not be able to restart his computer. Of course, if he can go to the safe mode, he can rename it again. Everything it should be okay. Now he's opened the log weaver, so we can kill that too. And basically we could do even DOS, so it will kill everything. So all the programs are done. And he opened the file explorer. What happens next? He's maybe browsing through files. Yeah, I think let's run PS again. Nothing interesting going on. I could start encrypting his files. So maybe we could do, let's code his binaries. So fcode /sleep. I think it's fcode. And let's put 20. No, it's okay. Let's go. So everything in his library folder is now renamed again. We can do same thing for bind. So we can do same thing for user bin. And we can do same thing for the desktop. Or we can do spam. And spam the desktop amount would be 50. We can check what happened. Yeah, and then we can do fcode. So there is spam folders files in the desktop, and we can just now loop them, and everything in his desktop has now the strange name, as you see. So his game is quite done. fcode /boot 20. I think I had no plan to destroy this player, and there is nothing personal. If you're watching this video, this is for the fun, and maybe you guys can also get some ideas what you can do when you find this kind of player. So we can do what else we could do. The one other trick I use is I sometimes go to the bin folder and I copy the reboot binary and replace some some binary on user/bin, like file explorer or terminal with the reboot and rename it. So when user runs the shortcut on his desktop, like terminal, it will actually run reboot and he will reboot his own computer. But this guy is still here and now he's opening these things. We can do the secure. So now he shouldn't have permissions to do anything. He can't run anything. So this is what it feels to be hacked in this game. And I don't want to close down his terminal yet. But we can code his root too. And yeah, as you see, he's now on terminal safe mode. And that means it's game over for him. So it's a new game that he has to start. And I'm really sorry for that. But as I saw, you did not have much important things on your computer, just some exploits. And either also you did not have much money. So it shouldn't be a too big thing to start a new game. But I'm still sorry for you, but nothing personal. I do these kind of videos all the time. So let's see who we can find next time. But anyways, this video was here and see you next time. Bye bye.